Dubai property investment, how to get started. Alright, so in my last video, we broke down why Dubai is absolutely destroying the UK property market when it comes to taxes, rental yields and capital growth. Now, if you watched that and thought, okay, Dubai makes sense, but how do I actually invest there? This video is going to be for you. Today, I'm going to talk you through exactly how to invest in the Dubai real estate market, step by step, whether you're in the UK, the US or anywhere else in the world. The process is actually easier than you think. You don't need to live in Dubai, and I'll show you how you get access to the best deals before everyone else. So stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll also share the biggest mistakes investors make when investing in Dubai, and trust me, you want to avoid these. So here's the exact process to invest in Dubai. No fluff, just straight facts. Step 1. Define your investment goal. Are you looking for rental income or capital appreciation? Short-term Airbnbs vs long-term tenants. Which makes more sense? Number 2. Choose between off-plan or ready properties. Off-plan, under construction, lower prices, and of course, higher appreciation. Ready properties, immediate rental income and cash flow. Let me give you another real-life example. I worked with an investor who bought an off-plan property for 1.2 million dirhams, and before it was even built it was worth 1.8 million dirhams. That's a 50% increase without even renting it out. Number 3, understand the buying process. No mortgages, no problem. Most deals in Dubai are cash based or have flexible payment plans from the developer. Paperwork is simple, only takes a few days to finalize the purchase. Number 4, calculate your total investment costs. You need to remember, it's not just the property price. You've got the Dubai land fee, which is also known as your DLD fee. You've potentially got agency fees, which is commission, and service charges, and let's not forget any transfer fees that you might face down at the government office. Step 5, work with a trusted broker and get access to the best deals. Look, not all properties are equal. Off-market deals are where the best returns are. Work with someone who actually knows the market. Don't just buy the first thing you see online. And also, remember, a good broker is going to have a good relationship with developers and can get you prime stock before anybody else can. So how do you buy property in Dubai from overseas? One of the biggest misconceptions is that you need to live in Dubai to invest. And now that's not true. You don't need to be a resident. You can complete the whole process remotely. Your rental income can be managed fully online. And here's how the process works if you're buying from overseas. Reserve the property. Pay a small deposit online. Sign the paperwork digitally. No need to fly over. Make payments in installments. Many deals offer flexible payment plans. And assign a property manager. They'll handle everything from tenants to maintenance. This is why so many international investors are shifting their money into Dubai. It's actually easier than investing in the UK. I've helped many investors from London, New York, and even India buy property here in Dubai without ever stepping foot here. It's that straightforward. In fact, a lot of my clients don't even come to Dubai until the property is fully complete. The biggest mistakes to avoid. All right, before you go rushing in to buy your first Dubai property, let's talk about what not to do. Mistake 1, buying in the wrong area. Not all locations perform the same. Some have insane rental demands, others are just ghost towns. Example, if you buy in Business Bay vs random areas no one's heard of, your returns will be night or day. Mistake 2, not understanding payment plans. Developers offer crazy payment plans. Some are great and some will really mess with your cash flow. Always check if there's a balloon payment at the end. Mistake number 3, not factoring in service charge. Low service charges equal higher net profits. Always check the service charges before you buy. Mistake 4, buying without a proper exit strategy. What's your game plan? Are you flipping, renting, or holding long term? Don't buy just because it looks nice. Buy with a final strategy in mind. So look, should you invest in Dubai now? The market is growing fast. More investors are coming every day. The best deals are getting snapped up quickly. Dubai is one of those places to invest right now, but only if you do it right. If you want to get access to some of the best deals on the market right now, feel free to book a call with me using the link below. So guys, I hope you liked that video again. Another little short one. Do feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, and you know what? I'll see you on the next one.